my dear friends. Today I would like to introduce you a sound of wasted turbo, dead turbo. How sounds a dead turbo? Sounds like that. This car have a small exhaust leak. It's gonna be fixed soon, and it's how it sounds on the back. It's right there. After it's warm up, it's gonna be even louder. I just want to show video with waste turbo and good turbo. Yes, and then how it sounds like it, the difference. But like one more time, it's horrible sound even from inside. You can notice it. It's just not right. It's like a car totally locked, windows, sunroof, everything, and then you can notice it from inside. Yeah, it's not quite right. And this turbo is gonna be installed in like a few hours, and I will shoot one more video and show you how everything turned around. And thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.